So I get back and I find this on my doorstep. Now, I believe it's the Pixel 4. If you're seeing this video, then it absolutely is. Open it up, taking off the top, we are greeted with a envelope with a white G on it. Go ahead and open that up real quick. Yeah, this is the letter from Google. Hi, Brandon. We're excited to introduce you the latest from Google. I will read that later. They did send this out to me, so big ups to you, Google. Appreciate it, but we'll get to that in a little bit. Let's get to what everyone is pumped about, the actual phone. And I believe, yep, that's it. Let's go ahead, toss that, and here it is. Simple packaging, making help magical, hashtag made by Google with a small G. Let's go ahead and open, oh, it opens up. Ooh, Google getting fancy. I like it. So, here we have it. There's the P4 box, which obviously Pixel 4. Let's go ahead and just take the box out. Ooh, we got something else underneath this parchment paper. Just gonna shuffle all that to the side. We'll take that out. We'll close this box back up. Super cool. Now, here we go. So the Pixel 4 XL case. We do have the XL version. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what color we have because there's no indication on the box itself on what color it is. I'm hoping for the white version. There's white, orange, and then black. The black is glossy, the orange and white are matte. Not sure why they did that, but I'm not complaining. With whatever color I get, I'll be happy. Let's go ahead and peel those tabs. Peel that tab, and let's pop the lid. Oh, oh, that's nice. That is really nice. It's a similar to the fabric that they had last year. A little bit softer though. And then obviously your orange accented power button and G on the back, and then inside is accented. Although it looks peachy, kind of. I don't know. Looks pretty peachy. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And what everyone's been waiting for. The Pixel 4 in all its glory. Let's go ahead and peel these tabs and get right into it. Here we go. What color did we get? Oh, yes! Score! Score! I'm so happy about that. That is very nice. They did send me the white last year as well. Or actually, I think they sent me the black and then sent me the white because I was having problems with the black one. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and peel that. Oh, that's nice. It's got some nice weight to it. And possibly my fit. Oh, that frosted glass. This is the, obviously, most satisfying thing ever. The back. The back is really nice. It's kind of this, it's frosted. Has a very nice feel. And that matte black edge is really nice. Similar camera layout to the iPhone 11, but it is not ripped from the iPhone 11. You can't make a, you can't design a phone in like a month. Plus, Google's been leaking this way before. Regardless, a lot of people hate that square. I don't hate it, honestly. I really like it in this white. Like I said, they sent me the white before, so let's go ahead and compare the Pixel 3a XL to the 4. You can see that on the Pixel 3a XL, I don't know, it's more glossy for sure. This is definitely frosted. It's gonna do real nice against fingerprints. Anyway, let's move those over here and let's get to the rest of the box I completely forgot about. So we have a SIM ejector tool. Can't talk. Anyway, SIM ejector tool, boom. And then your charging cable, type C to type C. Nice. A USB-A to USB-C adapter. And then in here, I believe, is the wall wart. We'll check the amperage and everything else out. Yep, USB Type-C on the back. And let's go ahead and check this out. So it's 5 volts, 3 amps. Go ahead and take a look at that if it'll pick it up on camera. And that's it for the box. I will say that the box is done really nicely, kind of like minimalist style to the box. but let's go ahead and look at this phone some more. So we'll pop the phone in the case, and that's how it looks. I mean, it's pretty nice, man. It's not a bulky case by any means, but it definitely is softer than their old fabric cases. I want to say it almost has like a carbon fiber style to it. And then obviously your orange accented power buttons. Because of those, I thought we were getting the orange, but we are not. I'm happy about that. I'm glad I got the white. Taking the case, can we take the case out? Let's go ahead and boot it up for the first time, shall we? Got dog hair on my desk. Has it got juice? They usually come with juice, so there we go. Let that boot up. And while it does its thing, go ahead and compare it in size to the 3A XL. You can see right from the bat that the chin has just been reduced heavy. I want to say the forehead has also been shrunk down a bit, but I might be tripping. Yeah, no, but the corners have definitely been rounded off much more, and I actually really like the way that looks. These are some round ass corners. I like it. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. I'll show you guys the home screen, talk a bit more about the device. Okay, so we got the Pixel 4 set up. One thing I forgot to mention that I didn't even notice is there's no fingerprint reader. It's gone. They're relying strictly on face unlocking. Setting it up was a bit slower than on iPhone. However, we'll have to, you know, test all that out, see how quick it is in day-to-day use. Of course, that'll be in my full review, but here it is. Pretty similar to the Pixel 3 XL, much more premium feeling though. I really like the way it feels. It feels flat. Obviously, it's completely flat on the back, and it doesn't rock back and forth when you lay it down on a table, contrary to what you would think with that camera hump. Now let's just go over the 3A and the 4 to see what its differences are. So on the bottom, we have our Type-C and bottom firing speakers. Those are the same. The front of the display, smaller chin, obviously. Same forehead, although I'll take that over a notch any day. On the back, or rather, my fault, on the right side of the device, same power button, same volume rockers, and similar colors. You got that same accented color. This one is more of a, I don't know, like a bright orange. This is more of a peach, kind of weird there. Right side, your SIM slot. And on the back of the device is the biggest change, those cameras. Two cameras. You got your wide and your standard, which I believe is the wide, and then you have your telephoto. They decided not to go with the ultra wide, which I'll discuss more in the full review. But that pretty much wraps it up. Let me know what you guys think of the Pixel 4. Do you like the design? Do you not? What are some of the things that you love about it, some of the things you dislike about it, and what color is your favorite? If you enjoyed it, remember to like that smash button, check out some other content, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on reviews, camera comparisons, and all that on the Pixel 4. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.